Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and here just type Anaconda download, and here you can see their official website anaconda.com, and you can see the download Anaconda distribution. Click that first link, and after that on right side you can see download now option. Select get started here, and it will ask you to log into the Anaconda. Because I already have my Gmail logged into this website, you can just simply click your Gmail and your account will be created. It's a very simple way. So after that you are gonna land into this page. Here you can see three types of operating system: Windows, Mac and Linux. And on the left side you can see Anaconda distribution. We need to download this one, not this mini Anaconda. So just click this 64-bit graphical installer, and after that it will automatically start to download. It's a very big file, 1.1 GB. I already downloaded this file, so I'm gonna cancel this one and go to the file option. This is the one. Select, and here is the exe file that I downloaded previously. I'm gonna double click it to start the installation process. I'm gonna minimize the browser, and as you can see the installer is getting started. And after that just click next, select I agree, and select all user and select next, select yes. And here is the destination folder. Is on the C drive. You can always change the destination folder, but I'm gonna keep it as the default. I'm select next again, and I'm gonna select this registered Anaconda 3 as a system of Python 3.13 and select install. And as you can see the installation process has begun, so we have to wait for it to completely install. It will take a bit of time, so we're gonna wait for the installation to be completed. Now as you can see the installation is completed. I'm gonna select next and select next and select finish, and this will redirect me to the web browser, and thank you for downloading page will pop up. But I'm gonna go to the search option and type Anaconda. Here you can see Anaconda prompt. Click that option. We are going to give a Jupyter Notebook prompt to open the Jupyter Notebook, and here it is. I'm going to type Jupyter space notebook and enter. All the package of Jupyter Notebook is initiating. It's running on the background. So Jupyter Notebook is a open source web-based notebook. So as you can see it's open on local host on our browser. We're gonna wait to fully open it for the first time. Here it is. The notebook is here. You can export or create a new file from here and start coding on your Python language. So this is a video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.